Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 10th. This is your computer science lecture and we are doing chapter number 2, programming in C. Students, in our previous class we have already discussed about the structure of a C program, what is a header file, and what is the syntax, semantics and the types of programming language. Now today we are going to move one step forward and towards programming, and we will discuss in detail what is the main function and what is preprocessor directive and how to write a complete program. Students, preprocessor directive are the instructions for the C compiler to, before executing the program, find out the direction in which to move. Before processing, your compiler needs something to get executed and to get to know what to do. So that is done by including the header file. So you can say hash include. This word hash include or hash define are the preprocessor directives. We have already discussed that stdio, standard input output output, is the header file, but the words which are before this header file hash include is the preprocessor directive. We can also write hash define, and hash define is also one of the preprocessor directive. Then we have main function. What is main function? Actually, function is a set of instructions that performs a specific task. So main function is a function that is required for your main program to execute. In C language, our syntax for writing a main function is void main void. What is void means? Void means empty. In English language, when there is something is empty, we call it as void. So before writing it before the main, that means it does not have any return type, it will not return anything. And in the bracket, writing the void means that it has no arguments. That means we are not sending it anything, it will not return anything, and we are not sending it anything. And main is a keyword which represents that it is a main function or your main function has started. Void is also a keyword or a reserve word. These are the words which are declared by the compiler for itself, and you cannot use them as a variable name. Then we have body of the main function. Your body of main function consists of different functions, user defined functions, your variables, your constants, or any other function. So this is all surrounded by the braces or the curly brackets. Let's come to another important term in C language, which is about comments. It is actually a good practice to add the comments. What are the comments? Comments are the special instructions which are not for the compiler. Your compiler ignore those comments, but these instructions are for your user or for the programmer to understand the program more easily. It actually explains what is the program intended to do. Normally comments are added in the beginning of the program so that the user or the programmer comes to know that what is the purpose of the program. Comments are also added when you need to clarify some fact or some fact you want to highlight. Then you need to add the comments in that portion of your program. There are two types of comments. Number one is the single line comment, and then we have multiple line comment. Single line comment has two slashes actually. In your multiple line comment starts with the slash with a static and ends with a static and a slash. There is an example program in which I have covered all the things: your preprocessor directive, your main function, your body of main function, and your comments as well. So let's discuss it. First, we have added a preprocessor directive hash include. Then we have added the header file stdio.h. This header file is enclosed within the two angle brackets. Then I have added a main function void main void, and then the body of the main function has started. As we have discussed that body of main function is enclosed in the curly brackets, So what I have done, I have put curly brackets here and I have entered it over here. Then I have initialized some integers a, b, sum and product. In our first line I have added print af, enter the two numbers, and don't worry about printf and scanf function. We will discuss these functions too much in detail in chapter 3. So just ignore these two lines. You can say that this is some code or this is some line of a code that is used in the C language. What I have done and what I want to highlight over here is the comment. I have added a single line comment over here with the double slash, that this is an output function, and again double slash input of two numbers. Then I am finding the sum and the product as we used to do in our algorithms and the flowcharts. And then what I have done a multiple line comment. Multiple line comment means that your comment can take more than one line. So I have added it with a slash and a static, that sum and the product will be calculated and stored. My comment is ended over here with a static and a slash, and in the last line I have printed the result, print sum. And again when my program is ended, I have just closed the curly bracket that I had started or that I had put in the beginning of my program. Whenever the bracket opens, the bracket should be closed also. I hope the main things about your C language is clear, that what is preprocessor directive, your main function, your body of a main function, and comments. That's all for today. Thank you.